My name is Tutu Sainz. We're here in Aloha Food Forest, which is a beautiful little garden in Vista, California. I fell in love with an orange grove when I was a little girl. I played in there and ate the oranges. One time my parents planted a little veggie patch, and I noticed how much better the food was. I had started many gardens throughout my life and then had to leave all of them, which was heartbreaking, especially the better they were. So I prayed, can I please have a garden with an old tree? And then I came to this place with this old oak tree, and it was the answer to my prayer. Over 100 years old. It's been making acorns and baby trees, and you can notice the fractal patterns of the branches. Came here in 2011, and I was into aquaponics. So I made a whole aquaponics system and greenhouses, and then I realized this is a lot of work. It takes electricity. Things can die easily, and there was a guy named David the Good that I saw on YouTube, and he talked about a food forest. And I thought about how in the forest nobody's working, nobody's fertilizing or doing any like physical human labor. And so this kind of growing is very natural. See how it has a little hole there?
Yeah.
Some little creatures, I think it's birds. And I feel like we're here to help the animals too. So I created the online school, then I ended up just moving it for free over to YouTube. AlohaFoodForest.com has a lot of information about all the stuff that I do. Growing your own food it's satisfying in so many ways. The fruit that you can grow freshly picked, it's so full of life. It imparts that life when you eat it. And I feel like eating from the garden has really helped my health. I'm still wearing the same size clothes I wore in high school. I'm still healthy. My hair grows good. Nothing's wrong. So I feel like this is a really healthy way to live. And I want to share it with anybody else who wants to do it.
One seed, and you get all of those seeds in one season. Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah.
Gardens want to grow themselves, and you can see that when you walk out into the wilderness. So what we're doing is kind of tinkering with that natural force. You can do it. Plants want to grow. If you just want to help them, they'll do really well.